Hey, what's going on? This is your boy Mark Smith coming to you with another live video. I was on video last week when I was in Vegas with the wife. We got back and we are back home now. I just wanted to shoot this short video talking about Club Cash Fund again. I kind of gave you a brief preview of it on my last video. In this video, I wanted to show you actually when you um, log into my system and you put your address in, you'll actually get a free starter kit. Okay, so this is the free starter kit that I got. Hopefully you can see it. I don't care if you can see the address. It's okay. It's a business address, so it's no big deal. They will send this to you absolutely free, so you don't have to pay for postage. You don't have to send off for it and wait for it to come back. As soon as you put your name and address in the system, they will send it to you. And when you get this free starter kit, and I'm going to kind of show you here as I do this, you get some information, okay? What's not in this is an envelope that you can actually send back your $100 fee to start this business. But you get this flyer, okay? And it tells you about a Club Cash Fund, okay? It gives you all the information you need. It's, 6 pages long. It goes through talking about, how you can make this work for you and how you can make money with this. And it's really informative. It's really straightforward. It comes with color print. It's not generic black and white. Okay. It's got a picture of the owner in front and some other things. So it's pretty cool. And on the back of it, there's also a overview number, okay, that you'll see, and that number is 888-297-4597. 888-297-4597. I'll put that number on the description beneath this video. But you can also call that number, get some more information. And then on the very back, you have the 4 levels. There's actually 5 levels now because they added another level of the people who are, basically your sponsor, your sponsors, and your sponsor, obviously. So who they are, and this give you their first name and maybe last, first initial, their last name, and where they're from. And it's pretty cool. So this is what you get. You also get a smaller envelope, like I mentioned earlier, where you can actually start. You can include a money order or cash if you want. And it's already pre-addressed to the company. All you have to do is already stamped. So all you got to do is put it in the mail. So once again, you're saving on postage and cost. You get a website when you join. It's just a one-time fee of $100. You get a website, and you can drive traffic to that website. It's called a lead capture page. And if you click on the link below, you'll see mine. It has, you put your name and your email address, and then you go to the back office, and you'll see a video by the owner explaining the program even more. And then if you're interested, you fill out your information, give them your name, your address, city, and zip. They'll send this out to you within a few days. And if you're interested, you can just join. They give you everything you need to get started. If you join me on my team, I will share with you like 13 ways, and I'm promoting this right now. Like I said, I just started not too long ago, and so momentum is growing for me and my team. But I just want to encourage you to click on the link below. Get started with me right away. Take a look at it. It's free. I mean, take a few minutes. Click on my link. See what the website looks like. See what's on the back office. See what you can be yourself doing, and request a free starter kit. I mean, it's real simple. People are doing very well in this business. Are making a lot of money. Money coming directly to their mailboxes. It's awesome. So I want to encourage you to join me. Like I said, once you join my team, I'll plug you into our training. I'll plug you into our Facebook group. I'll let you know what I'm doing, how I'm promoting this online and offline. And this is a big thing. So I want to encourage you to like and share this video. I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Club Cash Fund. Club Cash Fund is making waves, is just started. It's only started this year, so it's still brand new. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day. And please join me and request a free starter kit in Club Cash Fund. You guys have an awesome one. To my next video.